What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're all having an awesome day. And yes, it is an awesome day as well because we had our take profit hit right here and the other trade I have sent in the priority group. And also I'm going to show you a few entries we have taken using those entry pattern. But before that, let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand the value of being patient and entering the right trade at the right time. Won't be long. So all you need to do, be patient at this point to wait for the condition. Now, the first condition was the hit of my zone, enter my trade at this zone. The second condition will be hit of 50 EMA with a bullish condition. If you hit 50 EMA and get engulfer, that will be my buy signal. And if you hit this zone and get engulfer, that will be also a buy signal. So all I need to see a buy signal at this area of value. Nice one. So exactly what I've said yesterday, that we're going to enter our trade once the price hit this zone, form the engulfer, and we did have an engulfing candle. I've already informed members who are in my priority group that we have a bullish signal. And if you are my premium member, then you don't need to wait for me to send a signal because you already know that we have a valid pullback entry. These are the entry you are learning currently in the intermediate section with the exact rules. All the rules are met, all the 6 rules which you learn exactly the same, and this is the power of entering with the condition. So basically in priority group, I guide you along with me, we take our trades together. But if you are my premium member, if you're learning the course, you don't need to wait for my signal, you by your own know that we have a valid engulfer. And trust me guys, it is not just a simple condition, we need to see 6 rules that forms a signal. That is what you learn in the MMTA course. This is not a sales pitch guys, this is just I want to show you that we enter with the right condition, and that is the results we got. Now another trade, as you see, this is the result of the CPI report. I know that, but we entered this trade before the CPI and we entered technically. Now once I see my signal, technically this is also one of the pullback entry members, premium members are learning, and if you know, this is the second chance entry, and with that the price shoots up and CPI report fueled our entry, and that hit our take profit, and that just broken above and moving above like crazy. Now with that, I've also sent this trade as well in the priority group to the members, and that also hit our take profit. And there are so many other opportunities in the market, all the entries you are learning in the priority group. And if you are my premium member, you by your own self, you have seen so many entries with all the valid conditions. So I don't want to take much longer than this, and let's quickly jump onto our analysis, starting with net gas, gold and crude oil. So what do we have right here? Price has now broken above. At this point, I want to see a complete break and close above this wick. Once we have that, we will enter another long, and we will keep on taking buy trades until the price hit 7.181. This is my zone. Once the price will hit this zone, we will enter short trade. Now the price hit here on Ovanda in this zone, and I get my entry reason here, I will still take my short trade. If I get a reason to enter on any of the platform, I will take my trades accordingly. At this point, I'm not taking sell trades until the price is completely in between my level of resistance right here. Once we hit this zone, we will enter trade using engulfers, bearish engulfers, or we will enter using our double top entry pattern. Let's check gold. We might get another bullish candle here above 50 EMA. Once that happens, this is the zone where you want to exit your buy trade, which is 1798, goes up to 1811. So as you can see, the price just pushed up like crazy. Now at this point, we have a big momentum candle, and this is also the strategy the premium members are learning, and you know what to do here. At this point, we can expect a pullback. Of course, once we have this big push up, we can expect a pullback. I will only enter my buy trade once we have a pullback of few red candles, and then we might see a bullish candle to take long trades. So at this point, I'm just staying away from gold. Once I see a good and confirmed buy condition, I will only enter my long trade. So not entering short at this point, but we can expect a pullback from here once the price cools down. And now the next level, if the price continues to push up, the next level of resistance for gold is 1852, goes up to 1867. If the price continues to push up, this is the zone from where we will enter our sell trade. But before that, let's wait for another entry condition to take long only, not selling until the price completely broken this zone right here. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is moving really slow, not one of my favorite commodity, as you already know that. If not, then this is not one of my favorite commodities. This is a commodity that runs mostly with fundamentals. Same goes for gold, but gold sometimes do react technically as well. But at this point, as you can see, the price just hit 50 EMA. If you have a bearish engulfer, that will be your sell signal. Not buying crude oil until the price completely broken above 50 EMA. So crude oil is still bearish until the price is below, trading below 50 EMA. If you have an engulfer, that will be your sell signal. Or if you have a double top here, that will be your sell signal as well. Look for entries on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.